Side A should have one more L bracket.
You mean T bracket, right?
Tails, so help me. If you've been confusing L brackets and T brackets this whole time...
Knuckles, we need blankets. In exchange, I'll let you watch TV.
Television. Who needs it?
Don't ever say that again.
This isn't so bad. It's actually kind of okay. I totally got this. Huh?
Gosh, you're cute.
You have pudding? Whoa, that was not smart.
Oh, he's still not smart. Put him back in.
So you really don't remember anything? Not even those twins?
Oh, I remember the twins, all right. I mean...
What? That doesn't even make it.
Ooh, let me see. Oh, wait, I can't read.
Give me that.
Lane! It's me, Tails! Remember all the good times we've had together?
What?
Sonic was here.
Oh, the pink orchid. Well, that was easy. I was expecting some kind of complication. Kind of like that.